all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my collaboration with Camille Amoy. We are both doing spoon dahlias. She is such a sweet person and agreed to do a collaboration with me using a 16-inch round and a big spoon. And you have to excuse my spoon, it's kind of lost its silver. So first I'm going to put a base coat down, and I'm going to make it really super thin, and I'm going to speed up this part because this is a big canvas and it's going to take a while to do this. Okay, I know I probably should have used a OXO spatula, not this small one, but it's done. Okay, so now let me get this base paint out of the way. Now I'm going to explain my colors and what I'm going to do. Okay, I have got primary magenta, primary yellow, and primary cyan, and deep gold metallic. Basically, I'm going to do a circle, and I'm going to use the spoon to do the petals. So I'm going to do a couple of them slow in real time so you can see. Okay. Just going around in a circle. And let me see. And now I'm going to put some magenta in there. The magenta and the primary yellow look so pretty together. I know I'll be using these paints on some more pours too. I might even do them on some butterflies, you never know. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of blue all the way around. I have to remember how I did that because I'm going to be doing more circles. Now I'm going to put a little hint of the gold in there. Okay, now you want to, okay, your spoon, you want to use the edge of it. I learned that from watching her. And you want to clean it off after each time. So I've got paper towels right here, and I'll probably need more. And you want to do it very, very lightly. See? Very, very lightly. Up. That was too light. And you don't want to go too fast, but you don't want to go too slow either. Up. See? Ah. Okay, what happened here? I'm not as good at this as she is. Missed the spot. There we go. Sometimes I've seen her take it not all the way to the edge, and sometimes she does. So because of how big this canvas is, I want to take it all to, oops. You don't want to dig too much into your paint either, or you'll scrape it down to the white. Okay, light touch. So now you got the gist of what I'll be doing. So I'm going to speed up the rest of this video because this does take a long time, okay? And I will show you the final results at the end. Okay, I will talk here for a minute. She also does lines in between the petals, which you wipe it off in between each pass. And yes, I know I flubbed up a couple of them, but some of the flubs will, my mistakes, will get covered up with the next row. Because the next row is going to be swiped from here and it's going to come over to the rest of it. I am very heavy-handed. So let me speed this up. Now you know what I'm doing here. Okay, I really flubbed some of those up, but hey, no flowers are perfect, not even in nature. Okay, so now I'm going to do the last row, and then I'll work on the center. Now, because this is going to be such a small circle, I'm going to use the end of the spoon instead of the side, so I can get a couple petals out of it. And I'm just doing a circle of each color. I'm not worrying about separating them. Okay, here we go. The gold. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing. Oops, almost forgot. I'll speed up through this, but I almost forgot to draw through these. So let me do that. Okay, I'm going to have to say, I really like this. I got a few boo-boos, but hey. And I'm going to draw these petals towards the center. And I'm also going to put some small dots in there, just to give it the little seeds in the middle of a flower, if that's what they're called. Don't ask me. Okay, now, I think I'll try my hardest to put a couple of little tiny drops . Well, unfortunately, that came out to be big drops, so let me try something. Okay. Well, that's going to have to do because I even flubbed that. Oh well, hey, you know, you can tell the paint what you want to do. You can tell it which way to go. And like I say on my lives, that paint's going to look at you and say, hold my beer. Sorry, I couldn't resist. I say that on my lives a lot. So I want to thank you guys for coming out. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, Camille, for doing this collaboration with me. My flower's not anything near as good as yours, and there it is. I couldn't find my cap for the life of me. And what does it do? It falls into the painting. Oh, such is life. Such is life. Accidents happen all the time. So let me bring it up for a close-up. I picked the colors, and it's her technique. Well, I'm going to have to turn it around to get a close-up of the other side because I can't move it that way. So tell me in the live chat if you're at the premiere or down in the comments what you think of this. Look, I know that Camille Amoy is the queen of the spoon dahlias, and I tried my best. So, okay. I got some cookie cutters that won't move right. So, thanks for coming out. Thanks for watching this. At the time of the recording, I have no idea which one of us is going first. So, if you haven't watched her video yet, please go watch it. Or, if she's after me, please stay tuned and go check her out. Either way, if she's first or second, I will have the link to her video down below in the description. Thank you, Camille. Thank you, everybody, for coming out. My viewers of awesomeness, I know a few mods are here. I'll be chatting with everybody, too. So all I can say is y'all are awesome, viewers and mods. And Camille, you are such a sweetheart. So all I can say now is bye for now.